Data is a battlefield. Standard audits only see the surface-level compliance, or the obvious 99% of the stream. We specialize in hunting the technical ghosts, the critical 1% where 100% of your risk lives. We are dedicated to connecting logic to absolute truth, acting as the silent protector of revenue. Our operational expansion brings our elite forensic personnel from Lagos to our new Toronto landing hub on May 11th. Are you comfortable with 1% sampling? In a high-velocity settlement pool, that 1% is where the ghosts live. We recently detected and recovered $240,000 with a total resolution time of 48 hours. Can your current infrastructure say the same? We are escalating the standard. We are the Scalpel in a world of blunt instruments, utilizing clinical Python logic for verification at scale. This core methodology enables precision isolation and desync detection, eliminating liability. Our focus is on revenue assurance over software. ADS provides forensic certainty, not just tools. Our Toronto Ops Hub is now live, finalizing our global enforcement capabilities to exercise the revenue ghost. Toronto Operations establishes a new frontier in revenue recovery and forensic logic. For direct contact and to learn more about how we can help, please email wisdom@africandatastrategist.com or visit our website.